So you might be thinking that it is too late to start making money online in 2025. There's too many people online already, there's too much competition, and that so many of them have already become experts in their niche. Well, my friend, I am here to tell you that it is not too late, that you can start now and that you can start earning a decent income online blogging. So I started my blog just over 2 years ago, and it is only just starting to earn an income now, and that is after the major Pinterest algorithm update and the major Google algorithm update. So I can tell you from experience that you can roll with the punches, that you can change and adapt, and that you can make it possible for yourself to earn an income. And I'm going to share with you in this video how I am going to approach making money online in 2025 with my blog. So I guess the obvious question is starting a blog still worth it in 2025? There are millions of blogs out there and every niche is saturated. So is there room for you? Starting a blog is a really good foundation builder for your online money making adventure. Your blog is basically a platform that you own, and if you build up enough traffic to it, it provides so many opportunities for you to make money. You could sell things from your blog. You can create courses which you can advertise through your blog. You can do printables which you can sell within your blog. And it means that you don't have to rely on all these other platforms in order to sell your offering. So Etsy, Amazon, Instagram, YouTube, Pinterest. You can sell things in exactly the way that you want to sell it. As long as you can build traffic to it, you can basically do whatever you want. I am so glad that I started first with my blog, because once I started it, I began to see how many different ways it could be used. And so I'm excited for 2025, because now that I've got a decent amount of traffic to it, I can start experimenting with all these different things like printables and ebooks and courses and things like that. So it is definitely worthwhile to start a blog in 2025, and it is not too late. So if I was starting a blog in 2025, there are a couple of things I would do differently. I would start a YouTube channel at exactly the same time I start creating blog posts for my blog. Now, why would I do a thing like that? It's more work. You're having to film in addition to having to write, and you're having to talk to a camera as well, which some people are not comfortable with. But the great thing about a YouTube channel, it gets traction a lot faster than a blog post. And so if you create a video for every blog post, it can get multiple views straight away. And my friend Michaela from Michaela Blogs does this, and she does it so well. So if you're looking for an example on how to do that, I would definitely recommend checking out her YouTube channel, which I will link down below. Another benefit of starting a YouTube channel at the same time that you start writing blog posts is that you can repurpose your content. If you've written a blog post, then you've basically already written the script for your YouTube channel, and so it is not that much extra a step to then talk it out to a video camera. And so it is much easier to do that at the same time than having to create videos retrospectively for all your blog posts. So if you're starting a blog in 2025, definitely start a YouTube channel as well, because it creates another whole platform on which your content can be viewed, and so it is just getting so many more eyes on your content. That if you're wanting to make money with a blog online in 2025, then a YouTube channel is essential, because people connect more through video than through written content. And when people connect with you, then they're more likely to be loyal to you and to follow you and to trust you. And so when you try to sell them something, then they're going to be more likely to want to buy from you, which is why having a YouTube channel is so powerful. And so another reason why creating video is smart is because when you have a video embedded in a blog post, then I believe that it tells the algorithms that be that you are a serious content creator. If you have taken the time to write content and then also to film it, then it just shows that you are serious about what you're talking about, that you believe in it, you're willing to put your face on it. And I think that algorithm somehow prioritizes that kind of content, and so for a blog post that has a video embedded in it, it is more likely to rank in search results. So if I wanted to start making money online in 2025 with a blog, this is what I would also start doing at the same time as all my first blog posts, is I would focus a lot on my Instagram account. Now, a lot of blogging experts tell you that Instagram is the vanity platform, that it doesn't really benefit your blog and that it's a waste of time, and that you should focus on driving traffic to your blog through Pinterest. But I think that in 2025, and what I've already noticed throughout 2024, is that Instagram is a really powerful tool for driving traffic to your blog. I have noticed many creators making those reels and then saying in the caption, comment link and I will send you the recipe, or comment link and I'll send you the instructions. There's an app called ManyChat, and through that app you are able as a creator to make a sequence so that whoever comments on your post will get a link to, let's say a blog post article, and then that drives traffic to your blog post. So if you have a reel that goes viral, it gets millions of views, and say it'll get maybe 20,000 comments, and say maybe only half of those people who comment actually click the link and go to your blog post, that is still 10,000 people that have clicked that link and have gone to your blog from one reel. And if you do a reel a day, can you see the possibilities? So this is something that I'm really trying to lean into for 2025. I'm trying to build my audience on Instagram and really try to leverage that platform, because I think that it just has amazing potential for driving traffic to your blog. And just compare that Instagram reel to a Pinterest pin. So a pin on Pinterest can take about 3 months to gain traction, maybe a month if you're lucky, but an Instagram reel, it can get thousands of views within an hour, within half an hour, especially if you've got a decent following. And so that quick instant response is just so possible with Instagram, whereas with Pinterest it is an amazing tool for driving traffic to your blog, but it can take ages for you to see those results, and which also means that with a Pinterest strategy you actually don't really know if it's working until 3 months down the track. On that note, if you are wanting to see a video on everything that I've learned from Pinterest, just let me know in the comments down below, and I'll be so happy to delve into that topic deeper for you. I've learned so many things just by doing Pinterest. Even though I've done a few Pinterest courses, there are still things that they do not tell you that you can only learn by doing. So I will be more than happy to share that through a video if you just let me know in the comments. If you're wanting to make money online blogging in 2025, there is one crucial thing that you need to do before all these other things, before YouTube, before Instagram, before writing your first piece of content, and that is keyword research. My friends, content is king, and if you want to drive traffic to your blog, then the key is to create content that people are searching for. So how do you make content that people are searching for? Well, you need to do keyword research. I go to Pinterest trends and to Google trends. They give you a lot of data around what people are searching for and how many people are searching for it. And you need to start here before you create a piece of content, because if you are not creating content that people are looking for, then no one will come to your blog. And I learned that the hard way. It took me a year and a half to learn that I had to make content that people were searching for. So begin with this and you will succeed a lot quicker than I did. If there is anything that 2024 has taught us content creators, it is that you are at the mercy of whatever algorithms there are to be. The Pinterest algorithm, the Google algorithm. And so more than ever, I am determined to diversify my traffic sources in 2025, and this is what you need to do as well, which is why I've said to start a YouTube channel, to look into Instagram, because these platforms create a traffic source. They create more eyes on your content, which means you aren't so reliant on Pinterest and Google. So that is my strategy going into 2025 for growing my blog, for diversifying my traffic sources, and ensuring that my blog withstands algorithm updates. So I hope you found this helpful. I'm also going to be making a video soon on the things that I wish I had known at the beginning of my blogging journey, which would have saved me so much time. So be sure to subscribe so you don't miss that video.